Okay, well, this is a camera looking at the backyard under moonlight. If you look with the GoPro, you'll notice it's kind of dark, but it's actually not that dark. I can obviously work here. So I'm going to start the recording. Right here. I am now recording on both cameras. Alright, so my mission is kind of strange. Let me just move the camera around just to look at the sky. I mean, this is the sky. Can you believe it? I'm gonna just focus on the sky a little bit. Alright, and we'll come back. I gotta do some careful focusing here. Alright, that's good. We'll bring it over like that. That's good. Okay, so my goal is I just need to set the daylight savings time on the camera in the fort, and I thought I would give it a shot here and see if Ultra HD will help, and shooting BRAW will help, and no sharpening will help. Of course, what we're seeing is a lot of cars driving around, but no, this is a lot of moonlight too. All right, I will be back in a bit, but you'll see me go up in the fort and I'll be back. Anyhow, here I am. I'm probably coming into view, so I'm gonna just look back. I'm gonna cover this light. Yeah, that's all right. And turn the light off. All right, so hi there. Here I am wearing this ridiculous outfit, but this is my GoPro camera and this is my headlamp, so I can see where I'm going. But under the light of the moon, I don't really need them. How about that? But I will need them up in the fort. So I'm going to turn this on. Okay, I'm not going to check the voltage. Checked it 2 weeks ago, or a week ago, so that's okay. Assuming that it's okay, I'm not going to swap the chip either. I didn't bring a chip. I'm just going to, I brought my cell phone so I can bring the time with me and just get up in there and do my thing. Okay, so let's here. Oh, wow. There used to be a skeleton of a hawk here. Ha! It's all gone. Probably got blown away. We had a lot of wind. Yeah. Oh well. We can live with that. What's going on here? What is going on here? Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. It got totally yanked. Oh, it got knocked over. Wow. Oh wow. This is terrible. I mean, we've had all kinds of rain and everything. I didn't expect to find this mess. That's crazy. This whole thing got knocked over. That's crazy. It's terrible. I don't know if it's been like that for a while or what, but my goodness. All right, well, I'll cover it over again, but see if that camera is actually running. This whole pot here was supposed to like stay put and hold things in place, and I'm guessing that somebody came in here, a raccoon or whatever, and started digging around looking for stuff. That doesn't make me too happy. Yeah, it does not make me too happy at all. All right, well, hopefully the camera's still working. Wow, that's crazy. That's absolutely insane. Yeah, I mean, the pot's turned off, knocked around, the battery's sitting out in the open. The whole thing, the whole idea of that pot's to protect the battery, keep it out of the rain and so forth. All right, well, we haven't had rain really lately, but still, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, here's oh, here's the what's left of the skeleton. Look at that. I'm not really interested in touching that with my hands. I think I'll just push you aside. That's amazing. All right, wow, a lot going on up here I didn't expect. Okay. All right, so usually I'd open the door and turn the power off. In this case, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to open the door and hit the mode button. Okay, it's getting power. So the battery's still hanging in there. Okay, and what I want to do is go to mode, and I want to camera setup. Make sure this is angled in here. Yeah, camera setup. Okay, set date and time. Good. So it's it's 3, which is March, 8, which is today, 20. Okay, and the time is 7, and that's really what needs to go up. It needs to go to 8. And then as far as the minute, that's what I need my cell phone for. And let me be very careful about this. I have this app, tells me, okay, it's currently 8:21. It's coming up on 8:22, so probably by the time I get there, it'll be 8:22. All right, so we'll move this up to 22. Okay, and then hit that button, the middle button, to set it. I can't tell anything. Okay, well, it's still alive. I'm amazed finding the battery in that kind of condition. You've got to be kidding me. All right, and, got my level. Yeah, still level. Okay, it's good enough. But really, you got to be kidding me. I'm going to have to put a rock or something on top of that pot so that it doesn't do that again. That's absolutely incredible. All right, well, it didn't get rained on, I guess, so that's good. And, you know, it should be fine. It should be fine, but man, some raccoon probably went digging around, pulled the battery out. You know, I have the wires taped to kind of reinforce the connections, so I didn't lose power, but very easily could have. That was unexpected. I'm glad I decided to fix the clock. Normally I wouldn't be back for 2 weeks, and 2 weeks up here in the rain and whatever, that would probably be the end of everything. Wow, it's just unbelievable. Alright. Well, that was interesting. That was exceedingly unlikely, but it happened anyhow. Okay. Well, anyhow, so I'm not in the field of view of the big camera, but maybe you can see the moon up there. Amazing, just amazing. Okay, well, that's an interesting recording. So here we are back here. I can actually see where I'm going, and so we'll shut down the main camera in 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second off. All right.